And so we'll start with the rocking motion just to get you kind of in the movement, get your sense of connecting to your feet. And so if you'll just sink into your right leg a little bit and have the left foot come out to that slightly comfortable position, your toes just slightly turned outward, and find yourself on top of your feet, on top of your legs. Make sure your feet feel like they're kind of snuggling into the ground. Your hands come to that graceful resting position, somewhere right around here. And then as we start to go into the rocking motion, you go back on your heels, your knees slightly straightening, slightly flexed to the center, slightly lifting the heels, and back and forth, just like that. Slightly straightening the knees. So the knees straightening on the front goes before the lifting of the heels, so there's kind of like a sequencing that goes down through your body and into your feet. And just slowly go back and forth. And your hands just reaching slightly behind and then coming up and forward. And I'm not even going to keep a count on this one, because you can do as many of these as you want at any time. In fact, you know, the system doesn't explode if you decide that you want to do 6 on a particular day of something, because that's how much time you have. You can go through the whole set just doing 6 of each, and you still have something that's very powerful. You could decide that you just really need to do one particular movement, and so you'll just sit with that one and maybe do it multiples of 9, you know, until you feel like you've really settled in and you've got it down. And so we'll just do 2 more of these that come up and back. And then as you come back through again, you sink into that right leg so that you can start lifting the toe on the left foot. And as your hands come up, your foot comes up and you come into the center. And wait till you sink a bit. So that's always a good way just to kind of get yourself started and warmed up.